quick, easy, delicious dip to take on an outing or a family gathering? Our strawberry dip will do the trick. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. We're going to be taking 3 ounces of softened, reduced fat cream cheese, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we're going to cream that together. Now you can use a spoon and just get the sugar incorporated, or you can take the easy route and use a hand mixer. There we go. It's so quick and easy doing it that way. To that, we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of crushed strawberries. Now, frozen would work just fine in this. 8 ounces of vanilla reduced fat yogurt. And all we have to do is combine this together. Put this in a serving bowl and put it in the refrigerator until you're ready to eat it. This pairs really well with sliced apples or graham crackers. I think you'll like it. Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.